You know, I always noticed looking at pictures of myself, I noticed my smile just wasn't what I wanted it to be, and you know, I didn't really know what kind of options there were, but once I kind of did some research and kind of knew what I wanted to do, like I realized there was something I could do to make me more confident with my smile and make me, you know, more ready to go out and meet more people and just be a lot more outgoing. So that's kind of when I knew I just wanted to do a little something. So the day I came in, you know, I was super nervous because I was going under anesthesia, and that part doesn't really bother me, but just the whole thing, I'd have like a bunch of stitches afterwards. I didn't know if it was going to hurt or anything, but I came in, everyone was super friendly, very comforting to me, and you know, I sat down, I didn't have to worry about anything when I was in here, so they took everything and just made me feel so comfortable, and during the whole thing I didn't have any issues, and even afterwards, they were super nice about it, and I didn't have any issues afterwards, so it was very nice. I just feel so much more confident. You know, they've really helped me get the smile that I really wanted, and I knew it was there. They helped me kind of get to that goal that I had.